basicnya itu donat angka 8. Jangan memanjakan mobil.
Angelnya
Alas karena udah cukup. Dikasih taunya pas praktek gitu.
Mau motor, mau mobil, dia hajar.
Just another day and another dollar, bruh. I'm dialing in, just count it up. Another win, can't get enough. Why she give it in a clay for my love? Why she's I live in a lake and I love it. Brother, yeah, I got this swing with the club. Well, now you need some drive, get a license. Or you get caught up downtown way too enticing. Dark days, brighter lights in the night. Keep it cool, play it right, skip the bison. Kick it up, get it into the end zone. Kick it up, get it into the end zone. Kick it up, get it into the end zone. Kick it up, get it into the end zone. Gotta hustle, like. I just get it up the muscle. Gotta run it in off the shutter. We can't even talk about it, especially when your boys ain't even being solid. All of a kind, I hand it to you.
Semoga
Pay no mind, I can never
Amin.
do it. We are not congruent, that is not the movement. Got that earth, wind, and fire, baby, now we grooving. We were certain stress. Yeah. Hey, what is up? Living off the edge like a barber lining up. Just another day and another dollar, bruh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mohon maaf sebelumnya saya itu ngomongnya masih kayak orang mabuk. Motoris saya kena pas kecelakaan 2021 jatuh dari motor. Nah, jadi tiap hari mabuk tuh. Kita tuh sekarang tuh mau belajarin basicnya. Basicnya tuh sebenarnya donat angka 8. Nanti donatnya donat kiri udah bisa matok donat enak kiri kanan terus 8. Jadi jangan sampai gini. Urutannya A B C. Jadi kalau A dari A tuh nggak boleh ke C, B dulu, jangan langsung C gitu loh. Jadi harus semua itu berproses loh. Jangan memanjakan mobil, pacaran sama mobil dulu. Dan jadi hari ini pakai mobil ini, setelah saya pakai mobil yang lain jangan. Ini pakai mobil ini tinggal 20 juga bisa. Alas karena udah cukup.
di sini sebagian mindsetnya itu penggerak belakang bisa dipakai drift.
Sebenarnya kalau misalnya standar kalau ini bisa di kalau kiri karena yang jalan duluan roda kanan, jadi dia ngikutin. Cuman pas belok ke kanan,
Angelnya
Donald Trump angka 8 bisa baru banyak orang anak-anak yang kerugian uang ya, kayak beli mesin, beli garan apa. Sebenarnya mobil yang itu jangan memanjakan mobil itu. Jadi maksudnya kalau misalkan orang lain harus pakai LSD, sekarang juga berpatokannya pakai V8 karena apa? Kalau kata saya itu nggak seru, kayak pakai Matic drifnya, nggak main kopi kan, sourcingnya kan bisa, sourcingnya gila. Terus apa ya? Jadi karena ya itu balik lagi banyak anak pol. Jadi apa ya, banyak orang yang pujian uang lah. Lihat nggak balik lagi kita kalau murah ya kayak gini kan sebenarnya murah banget. Mobil kasarnya punya 320, 36 berapa ya, kasarnya dapat 40 juta pas kanan ya kan. Terus angle nggak usah sebenarnya, angle standar juga bisa, nggak usah pakai angle juga, soalnya Eropa itu banyak beloknya. Masalah teori mah kurang ini, mending praktek lah. Jadi dikasih taunya pas praktek gitu.
Indam ini karena teman-teman mungkin dapat Indam sekarang ya 2017 dia ini legendnya Bandung lah di Bandung. Mau motor, mau mobil, apapun itu dia hajar.
I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing
Berdoa ke Tuhan deh.
Kalau yang kiri itu lebih susah ya? Switching, lepas ya?
Fokus mata bisa tetap fokus rendah karena kan tadi sempat ngerasa kayak oleng sedikit lah, jadi referensi untuk ke depan.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society. These restraints, money, clown, fame, love, disease, a play. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All of insecurities are wrong. This is with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every street. Won't let them pester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic, chaotic. Achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop.
Kepalaku kebanyakan Makassar mulailah berkembang semoga berikutnya berkembang lagi. Aduh, amin.
Dok, saya balik dulu, Dok, ya. Ya, Dok, balik ya, mari. Ya.
Try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, doing it easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Body is breaking, free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mile, pushing a train. I never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess. What's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession. I'll take this possession. You got their attention, I'm leaving an impression and take a redemption. Just kill all discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Oh, could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, move free me. People like sheep, both feet hurt it easy. Don't wanna breathe fast asleep when it's evening. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race like
Roti Garam TV.